Are you ready to uncover hidden treasures, gold nuggets, and lost relics? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned treasure hunter, having the right underground metal detector can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best underground metal detectors. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the Geodel GTX5030H underground metal detector. The Geodel GTX5030H underground metal detector is designed to meet the demands of serious treasure hunters and outdoor explorers. One of its standout features is its low power consumption, which ensures longer operating times during outdoor use. This allows users to focus on their search without the constant worry of battery depletion, making it ideal for extended treasure hunting sessions. Ergonomics play a crucial role in the design of the GTX 5030H. The adjustable length of the detector allows users to customize it to their height and comfort preferences. Its balanced handle assembly is engineered to reduce fatigue, enabling longer periods of use without discomfort. The lightweight yet rugged construction adds to its usability, making it suitable for a wide range of environments and terrains. The detector is equipped with an arm support designed for ergonomic comfort, helping to reduce the effort required during operation. This thoughtful design aspect allows users to maintain control and precision over extended periods, enhancing the overall metal detecting experience. At the core of the device is the host machine, which features all metal detection capabilities and supports 2 recognition patterns. The use of smart chips in the system ensures a high level of accuracy and simplicity, allowing users to detect metals with greater precision. Overall, the Geodel GTX5030H underground metal detector combines smart technology with practical design elements to offer a reliable and comfortable tool for metal detection enthusiasts. Number 4 is the Tianxun TX630 underground metal detector. The Tianxun TX630 underground metal detector is designed to offer a comprehensive and user-friendly metal detecting experience for both beginners and experienced treasure hunters. This fully automatic detector is capable of identifying all types of metal objects unless customized to exclude certain targets, providing flexibility for diverse searching needs. Equipped with an LCD screen enhanced by a backlight, the TX630 makes it easier to identify metals even in low-light conditions or at night. The detected objects are clearly displayed on the screen, allowing users to quickly decide whether a find is worth retrieving. To further enhance usability, the detector can eliminate unwanted targets by setting it to ignore specific metals or objects, reducing unnecessary alerts. The detector features unique audio tones that correspond to different target types. This means users don't need to constantly watch the screen, as distinct sounds notify them of metal detection, even in dark or hard-to-see environments. The 3-tone system allows quick identification of various metals, enhancing efficiency during search. Designed with convenience in mind, the TX630 includes a waterproof search coil, enabling detection in shallow water, expanding the range of search environments. The stem length is adjustable, allowing users to tailor the detector size for comfortable use during long sessions. A hidden cable design reduces clutter and prevents snagging, while a metal microplug connecting the search coil to the control unit ensures durability and reliability. For extended use, the detector features an armrest and nylon bracket designed to reduce forearm strain and provide a secure grip over time. A headphone jack supports both stereo and mono headphones, and volume control lets users adjust sound output to their preference. Additionally, a battery condition indicator keeps users informed about power levels, preventing unexpected shutdowns during treasure hunts. Overall, the Tianxun TX630 combines advanced detection technology with practical design elements to deliver a versatile and comfortable metal detecting tool. Coming in at number 3 is the Thallyon MD-1037 underground metal detector. The Thallyon MD-1037 underground metal detector is designed to offer precise and reliable metal detection for both beginners and experienced users. Equipped with a high-accuracy metal finder, this device effectively detects metal objects buried underground, providing dependable results in various environments. A standout feature of the MD-1037 is its waterproof search coil, measuring 8.5 inches. This robust coil allows users to conduct searches in wet conditions such as beaches or shallow waters without worrying about damage or performance loss. Complementing the coil is an adjustable shaft, enabling users to customize the detector's length for optimal comfort during extended use. The detector's LCD screen offers comprehensive information, displaying the probable type of metal detected with a cursor, the target's depth, discrimination and notch ranges, sensitivity level, and battery status. Numeric displays for discrimination and target types further enhance usability. Additionally, the screen's backlight brightness can be adjusted from levels 0 to 9 to suit different lighting conditions. Operation is streamlined through one-touch controls, making the device accessible for users at any skill level. The MD-1037 employs a three-tone audio discrimination system that emits high, medium, and low sounds to distinguish various metal types, improving identification accuracy in the field. Overall, the Thallyon MD-1037 combines advanced features with user-friendly design, making it a versatile tool for metal detecting enthusiasts looking to explore a variety of environments, from dry land to wet and shallow areas. Number 2 is the Tianxun TX-850 underground metal detector. The Tianxun TX-850 underground metal detector is a sophisticated tool designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike who seek to uncover buried metal objects with ease and accuracy. One of its key features is the ability to eliminate certain metals from detection. When a metal is eliminated, the detector neither emits a tone nor lights up an indicator, helping users to focus on valuable finds without distraction. Equipped with a discrimination function, the TX-850 allows users to ignore unwanted trash and other undesirable objects often encountered during searches. This feature enhances the efficiency of the detecting process by filtering out common junk metals and focusing on targets of interest. The detector distinguishes between different types of metals such as relics, iron, and ferrous materials, making it easier for users to identify and prioritize their finds. The ability to differentiate these categories is essential for archaeologists, hobbyists, and treasure hunters who want to target specific metals or historical artifacts. With its pinpoint capability, the TX-850 enables users to locate the exact position of buried objects, minimizing excavation time and effort. This precise targeting feature is crucial when working in areas with multiple metal objects or in tight spaces. The detector employs a voltage control oscillator to enhance signal processing and sensitivity, improving the accuracy of metal detection even in challenging environments. This technology ensures stable and reliable performance throughout the search. Overall, the Tianxun TX-850 combines advanced technology and user-friendly features to provide an effective and reliable underground metal detecting experience. Whether searching for relics, coins, or other buried treasures, this metal detector offers the tools necessary to conduct thorough and focused exploration. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Tanxunzhe TC-500 underground metal detector. The Tanxunzhe TC-500 underground metal detector is a highly sensitive device designed to help users uncover even the smallest gold nuggets, relics, and buried treasures. Suitable for use in various environments such as backyards, shorelines, mountains, and open fields, the TC-500 offers an engaging experience for treasure hunters of all levels. This detector utilizes advanced sensor technology to detect metals hidden underground or embedded within objects. By sweeping its sensor probes across the ground, it identifies metal presence and provides an indication of distance, making the search for valuable items more precise and efficient. The TC-500 is particularly effective in detecting mineral deposits that are near the surface, including natural gold bars, sedimentary sands rich in gold, and metal coins. Users can adjust the device's balance to account for the highly mineralized nature of gold found in rocks and ore. Since gold in its natural form is often mixed with sand, silt, and other heavy metals, the detector responds to these mixed signals with varying sound ranges, helping to differentiate between pure metals and mineralized ore. This careful calibration is essential because the mixture of materials causes a range of signals, often including ferrous metals. However, the reaction from mineralized gold ore is generally weaker and produces a broader sound spectrum compared to pure metals. The TC500's smart sensor and balanced adjustments make it a reliable tool for enthusiasts searching for hidden treasures, whether they are ancient relics or naturally occurring gold deposits.